Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to make Google Docs. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. Okay, so first of all, you have to open up your browser, and then in your browser you will type here Google Docs. Okay, and then after you type here Google Docs, you will see bunch of different results in the next page. And then from here you need to click on this option here where it says Google Docs, and make sure that you are signed in with your Gmail account. Okay, so first you need to sign in with your Gmail account, and then you will see this kind of interface here. Now we have this pre-made templates here as well, but if you want to start from the scratch, you will click on this blank page, and this will insert a blank page in Google Docs for us. So here we have our Google Docs. Okay, so now you can see we have like bunch of different options here. Now you write starting the text here, and you can basically format this text by changing its font from here, changing its size from here, making it bold, and something like that. So that's how you can basically make Google Docs. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.